This is CoolPac's CoolPac15 summer packing instructions. You place one Cool Gel 101 frozen on the bottom. Place one CoolPac15 PE sheet on top. Then place one Cool Gel 101 chilled. Then place two 104 chilled around the sides of the container. Then have the CoolPac15 product carton, a maximum load. You close up the container and then place in for a minimum product load. Place bubble wrap on top to fill the void product space. And then place in the center of the container. You then place a Cool Gel 101 chilled on top of the product carton. CoolPac15 PE sheet on top of the chilled, and then a Cool Gel 101 frozen on top. CoolPac15 lid on firmly, and then tape up